So you want to install MySQL? Well, I have the solution for you. First of all, you have to go to the link in the description that is here. So MySQL is an open source relational database management system. The name is a combination of the name of the co-founder, Michael Widenius, and SQL, the abbreviation for a structured query language. So here you have to select the latest version and the operating system you are using and press download. So once you are here, you have to press no thanks, just start my download and save it. Wait to the installation, double click and press yes, and installation will become here available. Okay, so now we have some options. The type of setup that suits with our case. We have the full installation, including client only and server only, custom, client only and server only. So I'm going to pick server only, execute, and it will begin to download MySQL for servers, but you have to choose the option that suits with your case. Then press next, and when you press execute, the installation will begin. But I don't need to install it because I already have it. So that's it. That's how you can install MySQL in Windows 8, 7, 11, 10, etc. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you next time. Bye bye, easy way.